Welcome everyone. Join me on this journey by hitting subscribe button. Also mention from which country you are watching this video. In this video, I will share knowledge related with earning money. There are countless ways to earn money, and the right method for you will depend on your skills, interest, resource, and the circumstance. Here are some general ideas. Traditional employment. Get a job working for a company or organization. This could be a full-time, part-time, or freelance work. Second, start a business. Identify a product or service that you can offer or create a business around it. This could be anything from selling handmade craft online to starting a tech startup. Third, freelancing. Offer your skill and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. This could include writing, graphics design, programming, consulting, and much more. For investing, invest your money in stocks, real estate, mutual fund, or other assets with the potential for returns. 5. Online content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media account and monetize it through advertising, sponsorship, or selling product or services. 6. Teaching or tutoring. Offer your expert as a teacher or tutor in a subject you are knowledgeable about. This could be done in person or online through a platform like VIP Kit or Udemy. 7. Gig economy. Take on short-term flexible jobs through gig economy platform like Uber, TaxRabbit, or Instacart. 8. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities that allow you to work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. 9. Part-time work. Take on part-time jobs in addition to your full-time job or other commitments. 10. Monetize hobbies. Turn your hobbies and interest into sources of income. For example, if you enjoy photography, you could sell your photos online or offer photography services. Remember, success in earning money often require hard work, dedication, and sometimes a bit of trial and error to find what works best for you. Additionally, beware of scams and always do thorough research before investing time or money into an opportunity. Thank you.